guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. Today, I got a new Baba Jet. So let's unbox it. I want you to have a look. Okay, let's open it. So, this is unusual. I don't know why I'm unusual. Since the bra was never wrapped in plastic, but since this is used, it should be like this. It's pretty clean, super duper good condition. Super duper good condition, really good. This is how the Bravo looks like. Let's insert the mopping pad. Not weird. It's in. Now I'm gonna do this by the thing. I'm gonna bring my cam with me. Okay, so turn it all the way here. Move all you. Okay, good. I got the Wawa. I got the Wawa. I'm gonna fill up in. I'll fill this up with Wawa. Okay, is this enough? Okay, I guess this is too much Wawa. I got the cap. This is actually too much. Wawa is at the top. Okay. If I spilled one. Spilled on my cam, bro. Spilled on my cam. Spilled on my cam again. Again, I spilled on my cam. Just had a sip of the water. Why did this thing zoom? Wee. Oh, good. Good. Okay. It's flipped again. Let's insert the Wawa to the Wawa and place the Wawa place. Then we're gonna charge the Wawa. B.B. Meanwhile. Mine actually, things I did this never. Got a mopping robot. I got one that was a combo, not a mopping robot. Combo I expect would come a little later, but I guess not. So here's the docking station, the charger. Somehow we got. Somehow I got to screw in the battery. Somehow I was using a screwdriver. Wait, this thing doesn't even have screws. Okay. Wait, what? You gotta put it in here first. So I will be back when the Bravo is fully charged. Okay? Okay, see you later. Okay, the Bravo's fully charged now. You can see it has a green light on the charging port. So let's take out the battery. You're gonna watch too. So I'm going to take out the battery. Let's put it in the Bravo. This is the correct way. To robot eye. It's the right way. Backwards to you, but it's really correct way. Well, here to turn on, okay. That's a good sign. It's working. No battery problem. There was a battery problem. Even turn on is the thing. So yeah. Let's get this Bravo started. Okay. This was gonna do actually clean it better than I expected. You're gonna clean this whole room. Then we're gonna check its pads. Actually, not clean this room. Actually, yes, this room. Do the bedroom. See, but that room is too delusional, I'll say. That room is too delusional. If you're wondering where I got that delusional thing from, got it from the Inside Out 2 one. There's one that was made last year. So it's gonna go up one room. We're gonna check its pad. It has been mopping through the week, month. Need some help, Brava? No, okay. Did kind of a roll, I'll say. Okay, guys. Now, I will show you the pad. I thought it was still going to be in the white, but it's already brown. A bit yellow, I'll say. See you in the next video. Bye.